All right, thank you for 4.5. Let's go to challenge here. All right, here we go. Start. Modify the given F statement so that a small university is output if the number of people in the range is from 9,000 to 19,500 inclusive. All right, so we read in a number, and if it's less than 9,000, but it's greater than 1950, this is crazy. Oh no, and if it's less than 9,000 and greater than 1950, well, that's impossible. It's impossible for that to be true, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's impossible for this to be true. So anyway, I'm supposed to fix it, I guess. So we want small university output if the number of people is in the range of 9,000 and 1950. So if the range is between 9,000 and 1950, inclusive. Do it that way. Well, that's one way to do it. Oh, I think this is right. Let's see. So I guess if it's below 9,000, it would be like a micro university or something. So it was like this, right? It was like this and like this, I think is what it was like. And I said that this was impossible. But you could do, you can make this an or. Can I change this? No, I can only change that. Okay, never mind. Okay, so all right, that didn't work. Okay, so anyway, let's go to 3. The temperature of mercury in degrees Celsius is read from input and into a variable called degrees input. At degrees input, it outputs. If it's less than or equal to minus 39 degrees Celsius, it outputs mercury is a solid state. If it outputs greater than minus 39 and less than 357 degrees, it says mercury is in a liquid state. Otherwise, mercury is in a gaseous state. Wow. Okay, so I'm supposed to put if degrees input is less than or equal to minus 39, then output mercury solid state. Okay. And then we can do an LF. So if it gets to here, we know that mercury is at least minus 39 degrees. No, it means it's greater than 39 degrees. So we don't have to test if it's greater than minus 39 degrees because we already know it is greater than minus 39 degrees. We only have to test if it's less than 357 degrees. So to know if it's mercury liquid state. So I'm going to say degrees input is less than 357 degrees. Print mercury liquid state. And if we get all the way to here, then we know that mercury has got to be 357 degrees or more. Because if it was less than 357 degrees, it would at least be here. And in fact, if it was all the way down less than minus 39 degrees, it's here. And anything below that, it's still here. Okay. Can't be, there's nothing more solid than a solid state. Print Mercury is in a gaseous state. Gaseous state. Okay. And there we have it. All right. Okay, so now we are doing, we've done section 4.5. The next one is detecting ranges with gaps. And let's see, where is that in John's? Detecting ranges with, yeah, okay, 4 points ahead. Okay, so I'm gonna break here and you're gonna watch this video. So let me just if this doesn't work, this is gonna be really sucky.